Okay, sure. So I'm a researcher based out of US, and I do research on machine learning and AI algorithms. And my mostly focus is building algorithms that can be used for everyday purposes, even for the businesses and industries, it can be practically used, not just theoretical knowledge. So that's the major purpose. And whatever algorithms patterns that I've developed, those are running in commercial production across Fortune 500 companies. So I'll be talking more about when to use machine learning, when not to use machine learning, because even running such algorithm takes a lot of time and computing resources. So it's not needed in every scenario. So basically, we'll discuss when do we need to start working on such algorithms, and when to just have certain rules or heuristics without working on such algorithms, and when it is profitable to have a team in your business to start working on machine learning, and when it's not needed, things like that. And yeah, I think researchers from Threws, they'll be super excited to learn more about it. And yeah, as there are entrepreneurs and stuff like that, so people understand more about it, and it will be useful for them.